Hello, today I still show you how to stop Opera from opening automatically when you turn on your computer. Step 1, why you should disable it. Some browsers, including Opera, run background processes automatically. This helps the browser open faster by preloading parts of it in memory. However, for users with low-end PCs or laptops, this may slow down the whole system. Disabling this feature will prevent Opera from consuming resources when you're not using it. Step 2, disable background processes in Opera. Open Opera browser, click the Opera menu icon top left corner, select Settings. On the right side, scroll down to the section Run when my computer starts. If this is enabled blue toggle, click the toggle to turn it off. Opera will no longer auto-run in the background at startup. This simple setting change can help your computer boot faster and reduce background load, especially helpful for low-spec PCs. Hope this helped you out.